The incomplete love. There was a boy named Arav. He lived with his mother, and they were very poor. Arav was a college student. Every morning, he took the same bus to college. At a small bus stop, he often saw a beautiful girl. She was always reading a book. She never noticed Arav, but Arav saw her every day. He wanted to talk to her, but he was too shy and afraid. One day, Arav got ready for college very early in the morning. His mother asked, "Why are you going to college so early today?" Arav stayed quiet. His mother smiled and said, "Tell me the truth." Arav replied, "Mom, I have some work at college. My teacher asked me to come early." After saying goodbye to his mother, Arav hurried to the bus stop because he wanted to see the girl. He was very excited. Months passed, but they never spoke to each other. However, the girl also started noticing Arav. Every day, they smiled at each other. Slowly, that smile became the best part of Arav's day. One winter morning, heavy rain started suddenly. The girl was standing alone without an umbrella. Arav hesitated for a moment, then walked toward her. "You can use my umbrella," he said nervously. The girl smiled. Arav gathered his courage and asked, "What is your name? And why do you come to this bus stop every day?" She replied, "My name is Maya. I go to a computer class every day. What about you?" Arav smiled and said, "I go to college every day." Then Maya said, "By the way, thank you for sharing your umbrella." For the first time, they talked. The bus was late, so they spent almost 30 minutes together. They talked about their lives, their dreams, and their families. When the bus finally arrived, Maya smiled and said, "It's time to go. We will meet again tomorrow." From that day on, every morning they waited for each other at the bus stop. Sometimes they exchanged books. Sometimes they simply sat together and talked for hours. Months passed happily. But one day, Maya stopped coming. Arav was heartbroken. He waited for her every day. One day became two. 2 days became a week. He became worried. Then one morning, he found a small note on the bench where they usually sat together. With trembling hands, he opened it. The note said, "Arav, my father has been transferred to another city. I wanted to tell you personally, but my father did not allow me to go anywhere alone. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I will never forget you." A tear rolled down Arav's cheek as he read the note. He looked at the empty bus stop and whispered, "Goodbye, Maya. Sometimes love remains incomplete, but the memories stay forever." What do you think happened to Arav and Maya? If you want part 2 of this love story, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Your support motivates us to create more beautiful stories for you.